How to solve the problem in iPhone and iPad when you not receive request for purchasing approval from your kids in your device.
Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. If you have also faced the require purchase approval problem and not receive a request from your kids in your device, then watch this video up to end. Maybe you find out how to solve this problem. And don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please leave me a comment. Sometimes your kids send a request to download from App Store or iTunes from their device to you, but you never receive any message to approve. I must approve the download directly from the kid's device. That's a headache. No matter problem appear, when you first time set up the family sharing or your device stop to receive purchase approval after a while without any reason. The way is the same. Try these solutions and I hope you fix this problem. Check the Apple ID in family sharing. In your device, go to the setting main page and click on the your name and see what Apple ID you use to sign in. Then back to the setting main page and this time check the Apple IDs in family sharing and be sure the same ID used for organizer. Also check the kids Apple ID in family sharing. It must be the same as sign-in ID in your kid's device. And your Apple ID should be set as an organizer in their device. If something was not correctly set, make it right and check if you received the approval. If not received yet, go to the next solution. Check the kids Apple ID in App Store and iTunes. In the kids device, go to the both App Store and iTunes and check the sign-in Apple ID. It should be the same as kids Apple ID and not others. If not, sign out from App Store and iTunes and sign in again with their Apple ID and check if you received the request approval. If not, go to the next solution. Check the Ask to Buy status. In the parent's device, go to the setting main page and then click on the family. Click on the name of the kids and then click on Ask to Buy. Check if Require Purchase Approval selected. If not, select it and then check if you received the request for approval now. If not, go to the next solution. Check the notification status for App Store and iTunes. In your device, go to Setting, choose Notifications, and in the list, check both App Store and iTunes status and make sure Allow Notification is on. If not, turn it on and check if now you received the request approval. If not, go to the next solution. Sign out. Sign out from Apple ID and sign in again in both devices and then check if your problem solved. If not, go to the next solution. Reset Ask to Buy setting. In parent's device, go to setting main page and click on family. Then click on kid's name and Ask to Buy. Turn off the require purchase approval and turn it on again. Now check if you are able to receive the request approval. If not, go to the next solution. Reset both devices. Sometimes reconnecting helps to solve the problem. Reset both devices and check again if problem solved. If not, go to next solution. Change the device name. In parent's device, go to setting main page and go to the general, about, and just change the name of your device to other name. Restart your device and then check if you receive the request approval message. Usually, this problem must be solved by one of these ways, but if not, or you have other trouble, please leave me a comment. I will do my best to find you a solution. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.